A major blizzard is slamming the Northeast right now. At least 7 states have declared states of emergency. The video right here showing out of Boston this morning as snow continues to fall. Some areas more than 2 feet of snow mixed with powerful winds. ABC's Rena Roy has the latest from New York City, which is still getting hammered.
Wet, heavy snow and high winds battering the Northeast as a powerful winter storm impacts millions of Americans.
I can't believe how much snow is coming down.
Multiple major cities brought to a standstill. Officials in 7 states declaring states of emergency.
We're taking this so seriously because literally lives are at stake.
In New York City, a travel ban was in place for the first time in a decade. And in New Jersey, the entire state was under a blizzard warning for the first time in 30 years. In some areas, winds gusting more than 80 miles per hour and up to 3 inches of snow falling per hour at some points. ABC's Matt Rivers braving the conditions in Boston.
We got the ski goggles on this morning. The wind here is absolutely whipping. We're right in the middle of a downtown Boston that is completely empty at this point.
You can see lightning in Long Branch, New Jersey with thunder snow. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.
Air travel has been majorly impacted with more than 10,000 flights canceled through Tuesday, including here at home at Ali International. Some say it could take days to get things back up and running as normal.